morning. What are we doing today?
Today we're gonna go and visit Belvedere. It's a castle complex thing. It has technically it has 3 museums, but it's a museum in Upper Belvedere, Lower Belvedere, and in the Orangerie, but that is connected to Lower Belvedere.
Okay, so which one are we visiting?
So I found free tickets for 2 art exhibitions, Viva Venezia and Dali.
Dali.
Yes.
Dali. Yes, I remember Dali.
And yeah, we're gonna go and visit that in Lower Belvedere. And I was thinking, instead of eating breakfast here, what would you think about eating breakfast at the cafe in the castle?
I foresee expensive breakfast.
Most probably. But it's gonna be fine. So.
And there's also a garden, botanical garden of some
connected to Belvedere. It's the Botanical Garden of the University of Vienna. So it's free to see. We can go and poke around. It's like a beautiful day today.
Yeah.
So we're
Sounds
gonna
like
do
a
that.
good idea. Yeah. Okay.
Let's go.
Let's go. We're here.
Yeah, we're in front of Upper Belvedere, and now we're gonna go to the cafe to actually have some breakfast.
Let's see if we find space inside.
Yeah, that's another
There are
issue.
not a lot of people around here, so
Well, no restrictions, no 3G, so
that's good. Only 5G from now on. Breakfast. Check.
yeah, we finished breakfast. It was tiny bit expensive, but I think worth it.
Yeah, considering the place. I mean, it's inside the castle, basically. And it was good.
Yeah.
Good, generous portion, so I think worth it.
And delicious. That's
very
the
good.
other thing. It was actually delicious. So the first exhibition we started with is Viva Venezia.
Good job, Ed. Viva
I actually
Venezia.
remember because I just read it like half an hour ago. Not half an hour, like 15 minutes. We went through 2 rooms and now we're in this ballroom type of situation.
The fireplace.
Yeah, but it's absolutely gorgeous. I don't know, I would like to have something like this in a house, but the amount of money that you would need to invest to maintain something like this.
Yeah. Imagine the amount of dust that you're gonna have on the walls because all the things are protruding from the wall. Who's gonna clean them?
We're gonna continue with our tour. So far,
Good.
nice.
We reached the secret garden of Adam and Eve. I don't know.
This is the privy garden and we're in the very, 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 very last corner that we can be in.
Oh, we don't know. We don't know if we can be in here.
Yeah,
we're stepping on the grass.
Yeah, potentially we shouldn't be here, but...
No one is stopping us.
So we just finished the Dali exhibition.
Very crowded, extremely crowded.
It was
not very enjoyable like this, to be honest.
No, I mean, anytime I wanted to take a picture or to film anything, someone would step right in my frame, and not even like only on the corner or something, like right in the middle, stopped there and taking pictures. So we're gonna make our way up to Upper Belvedere again. So it's gonna take us like 20 minutes. And then
20 minutes?
Yeah, because we need to go all the way up to the cafe that we had breakfast.
Okay, I can do it. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow you can do it?
No, we can do it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
And then Botanical Garden and yeah.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's do it.
We have finally made it to the Botanical Garden and found a shaded bench. The heat today is...
Yeah, it's impressive. We didn't dress properly for this.
No, because it said that it was gonna be only 20 degrees, which...
20, I told you 20 degrees is a lot. No, in Vienna standards 20 degrees is 10.
Yeah, usually it's colder when it's 20 degrees outside. It's colder. You can get away with wearing a sweatshirt, but the sun is just beaming.
Yeah. In the shade it's okay.
Yeah, in
there's
the
a bit of wind
yeah.
at the moment, which is nice. But no, it's so hot.
And it's not shaded, so the gardens from Lower Belvedere to Upper Belvedere to the Botanical Garden, they're not shaded at all. So we're in full blessed sun, like for 20 minutes or more.
Yeah, so now we are gonna enjoy the shades for a little bit before going around the gardens. I'm not impressed.
What?
I'm not impressed.
You're not impressed?
I'm not impressed. Also, I cannot speak anymore. Yeah.
So you're not impressed?
No, I don't know. It's plants. They're cute, but they're plants.
Honey.
I don't know what to say about plants.
It's nice, it's nature, it's calm, it's a bit crowded, but still, it's nice, it's calm.
It's not calm, there is people.
Also, very cute children here.
Two.
Okay, we're going to the greenhouse. Hopefully it's open now.
Let's see.
We have finally got home. We stopped and bought some ice cream because it's super hot outside and we're done with life for today. Also, I broke my nail. I'm very sad about it. And I just did my nails.
Yesterday.
Literally yesterday. But yes.
Now we eat, we sleep, and we wake up tomorrow, and we don't know what we do tomorrow.
Tomorrow we probably potato.
Tomorrow we exist.
Exactly.
Yeah.
See you next weekend.
Bye.